Hi, I'm Rob King. This is the Homebrew Masterplan Outtakes edition. If you haven't checked it out already, the link above will take you to the step-by-step guide to brew your own Clonenbourg 2024 Olympic-inspired French Pilsner. However, it was a rather inauspicious start. Failing to include all of the volume of malt in the grain bill, I thought this homebrew was destined for failure. However, the fun of these homebrew videos are all the opportunities for, if it can go wrong, it will go wrong. And while this time I did manage to avoid smashing anything significant, there is still plenty of dropping, fishing, missing, overcarbonating, burping and Batman 66 camera angles to keep life interesting. The Clonenbourg 2024 was a surprising, sessionable at 3.8% ABV, crisp, light and refreshing little drink. So sit back, relax, it's time to have fun with the outtakes. Please feel free to share your comments and like and subscribe. Cheers everyone, happy homebrewing. Hi, I'm Rob King, this is homebrew number 38. It's going to be a French Pilsner. Let's check it out. We are going to need 69 grams of Strisel spalt. We are going to need 69 grams of Strisel spalt. Nope. Cooling. Well, that's moving around a bit, but it's completely within range. 5.27. Oh, lovely aroma. So here we are, our first hop addition, 23 grams of splits. Similarly, that was an addition. Honey came in at. Honey was of the. Now, if you're in the UK, or America, probably the cost per point. Now, if you're a classic, how much is? If you're a classic. For this recipe, ho hum. Right, let's just try and get rid of some of the foam. Oh, wow. Ooh. Yep, carbonation is good. Check.